What's going on there, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. Today we're checking out the H10 optic with the Night Customs Terra Recon body, or kit actually. Today we actually are doing some testing because I just put some brand new shocks on it. I don't know if you can see. Just put some brand new Desert Lizard shocks on it. Brand new tires from BFG, of course Proline. And today we're gonna do some testing. So we'll see how the truck performs with all the modifications on it that I did. Again, just suspension, wheels and tires, nothing crazy, but we'll see how it performs. Let's go. So I just got finished putting this truck together, and you know, little by little, of course, I'm modifying it here and there, and we've got it to this point. And again, like I said, we'll do some testing today and see if it actually helped or hindered the truck. I think I want to put a softer silicone insert in the truck because the truck is so light, honestly. You know, I think I can get away with a... Yep, there we go. Nice, guys. Very nice. Tires gripped up really nice, but I think I can get away with a softer silicone insert, but we'll see what happens. That's why we're doing the testing today, to see what the truck does and how it performs. So let's continue. Ooh, that was nice. Definitely have to say the truck is performing a lot better with the setup that I have on it now. Let's see. There we go. Nice. Wow. That thing just walked up there, guys. Let's see how she does when she descends. Oh, yep. There we go. Look. Look at that. She wanted to slide out a little bit, but we caught it. All right, not bad. Guys, you know what? I've been talking about the suspension and tires so much, I forgot to mention to you guys what I've been running in this truck. So I wanted to go with the brushed system. And what I did was I used a Recon or 35 turn motor actually. And I'm running a, what is it, a Hobby Wing 1080. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, guys. And honestly, I like it. You know, it's not bad. You know, it's not a brushless system, but it's not bad, guys. You can't beat that. See if we can make it over here. Without giving it too much wheel speed. Nice, guys. Wow. Nice. Very nice. Show you guys that tire wrinkle. Let's see if we can get the truck up there. Ooh. Wow. If this makes it up there like that. Wow. Damn, guys, damn. I wasn't even trying to do that. This little section right here, it throws you to the right. So you want to try to stay as tight as possible to the left. And still keep enough clearance to where your roof doesn't hit the log as you ascend back up again. See, look, there we go. Nice. Nice. Up. Yeah, there we go. The green inserts, they're doing really good. but I think I'll do a little bit better with those yellow inserts in here from Injora. Let's see if we can make it around here. Okay. Yep, we need that thing to tip. Just there we go. Perfect. Again, we're running brush, guys, so it's not as smooth. Uh-oh, there we go. We've got this right tire that's gonna drop down. Hopefully he doesn't throw the truck off too far. Let's see what happens. Nice. Can we do it? Very nice, guys. Very nice. Nice. We got a nice little ascend here, and then we have to actually get over that log. So that'll definitely throw the truck off. Let's see if we can make it. And I want to slow crawl it. I mean, anybody can just speed up over everything and anything. Look at that. That thing went over there nice and smooth, guys. Damn, like the log wasn't even over there. Whew. Nice, nice build. So let's try a little side hilling and see how much side hill we can actually do without this thing flipping. All right. I'll come down here, and then I'll try to stay as high as I can to the left. Right? You see that, guys? So we'll see how well it does with the side hill. And that definitely will show how good the suspension and the tires are. You know, if it's gonna articulate correctly, and if the tires are gonna obviously hold the truck. So far, uh-oh. There you go. So far, so good. I'll try to get a little higher. Oh, there we go, see? The rear end is sliding out. All right, we're still up there pretty good. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Let's watch that suspension work. I'm so spoiled with the, I think we all are. We're all spoiled with the 2-in-1 systems and the brushless systems, you know? Like I actually went to let my finger off a little bit because I figured, the FOC will definitely carry me. And I felt the motor actually went to, like, obviously cog down or whatever the case may be is, but it definitely started to slow down. I'm like, uh-oh, I forgot I'm running a brush motor here. Making my own path over here, guys. Very nice. All right, guys, let's try this thing over here. See if we can make it. Cut left, try to make a real tight turn. Let's see. Got that one step up right there. Pardon me, guys, I'm still getting used to running the brush motor. Nice. Look at that thing, guys. Nice clearance. Can we make it up onto the third step or no? Do we need high clearance links? Hold on. Let's see if I can maybe recorrect it. And then swing right. I'll take that. Ooh, all right, let's see if we can walk this here. Nice, guys, yep. And wrap right around the tree on the right. Here we go, let's get it, let's go. Ah, that branch is right in my way. Ah. There we go. There we go, Rock. Let's get him. Alright, guys, I'll show you guys some more side hilling. Again, just to test it out, just to see how far this truck can go. You know, we'll see. You know. Alright. Damn brush system. Nah, I actually really like it. Just you know, still getting used to it. Let's see if we can get that tire up there without flipping. Let the suspension settle a little bit. Let the tires grip. And we're on moss right now, so we all know moss is very low. Look at that. She wants to slide already. Can we save it? Trying to stay high if I can. If that left tire, yeah, we made it. Okay, woo! See now, even though it caught and we saved it on the right, the left hand side now, I'm up high now, you know, so hopefully the branches in the front don't throw me off. We'll see. Let's not make an excuse, right? Let's see what happens, guys. See, it's got that little jerkiness with the brush motor, that first startup. Okay. Can we save it? Can we keep it? Ooh, guys. Nice. So far, so good. I don't want to get. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. So far, so good, guys. Look at this. All right, we're gonna try to go up a little higher. All right, so far so good. All right. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I wish I had a brushless system right now, just for that smooth control. I wouldn't be so concerned, but just the jumpiness when you let on and off the throttle with the brush system is what kind of makes the truck unsettled. Oh, let's see. Can we get that suspension to settle back down? Let's see where. Can we make it, guys? Ooh. I don't think so. Hold on, let me see. Yes, guys, yes. This thing is killing it out here, guys. Daggone. All right, guys, I figure we'll do this little area right here, and then we'll wrap it up. See that clearance? Oop, link's already hitting already, huh? There we go. There we go. Very nice. Hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Rockside out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.